We're here, Channel Valpiguez, to reporting team, Bones and Laura, to investigate a car alarm that has been going off since 9 a.m. right here on the Upper West Side of Manhattan. We're here at 97th Street between Central Park and Columbus, where residents are saying it's been an annoying piece of work.
Since 9 o'clock this morning, piercing sounds have been echoing up through the apartments of the gentle, kind neighbors of West 97th Street. Do they deserve this kind of treatment? You decide.
Nah, man, let me tell you, I ain't moved here where there's a Whole Foods and shit just so I could be hearing some car alarms, you know? This ain't that type of neighborhood no more. Back in the day, like back when they came out, everybody had car alarms. Now, this fool right here, he don't even know how to turn his off.
It's really a tragedy when things like this happen to good people like us. It's just really sad. It really makes me upset.
We moved here from Brooklyn, which, you know, everybody says it's getting better. But the truth is, maybe it's not worth it.
I'd rather go back to Park Slope.
Yeah, maybe it's just not worth it. It's more authentic in Park Slope.
It's real.
Yeah, they don't have car alarms.
No.
Nobody has cars worth alarming out there. Well, you heard it here, folks. A tragedy on the Upper West Side. A car alarm that doesn't ever seem to shut up. Every 4 minutes, people are walking by saying, I don't hear a car alarm, but wait.
Just wait.
Just wait. Long enough. You'll hear this very car. We believe it is one of these three cars.
Within 1 to 4 minutes, we believe.
It is either GKS 4483, CSW 4884, or 753515. Just send in your bet at our Twitter page at Annoying Upper West Side Cars. Twitter.com/Annoying Upper West Side Cars. No, Twitter.com. This one? Nah, this one.
Really?
Yeah, this one. This one, there you go. CSW 4884. If that was your guess, you're correct. And if you're the owner of the car, I hate you, dude. Dude, I hate you.